Nestled in the heart of the Swiss mountains, this is where the art of horology meets unparalleled precision. Welcome to the home of the Gold Edition. Every Rolex Gold Edition watch begins with carefully controlled precious metal preparation. The formed case blank is now secured for multi-axis precision machining. The heated alloy is positioned inside a dedicated precision-forming die.
Precision tools refine the narrow edges that larger polishing wheels cannot reach.
The main case surfaces receive a controlled polishing pass for a deeper gold reflection. Controlled finishing gradually transforms the machined gold surface into a refined luxury finish. Curved case surfaces require controlled hand finishing to preserve their precise geometry. Critical dimensions are verified before the case moves into cosmetic finishing. Magnified inspection ensures every transition remains clean and uniform. The finished case is inspected from every angle before its individual components are produced and assembled. After machining, every critical surface is checked before finishing continues. Controlled heating prepares the gold for precise forming without compromising its composition. Fine hand finishing refines the smallest surface transitions without altering the case profile. Microscopic burrs are carefully removed before the case enters its finishing stages. Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic polishing residue from the finished case. After deburring, the case is carefully cleaned before precision finishing begins.
The alloy is verified before precision forming begins.
Controlled pressure begins forming the foundation of the watch case. The CNC cutter removes excess alloy while establishing the case's precise outer geometry. The internal cavity is machined to create the precise foundation for the mechanical movement. Crown operation is checked to confirm smooth engagement with the case mechanism. Next, the precision crown components are prepared for installation into the gold case. The machined bezel receives its first controlled surface finishing pass.
The inner seating surface receives separate precision finishing.
The finished bezel is dimensionally verified before it is matched with the completed gold case. The matching gold bezel begins as a separate precision machined component. A controlled fitting check confirms that the bezel seats evenly around the case. The crown stem is measured and inspected before it's fitted to the case. Smooth rotation and precise alignment are verified before the crown enters the case. Magnified inspection checks the bezel for a continuous, uniform finish.
The cleaned bezel is dried with filtered air before its final dimensional check.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes the final microscopic traces of polishing compound.
The stem passes precisely through the case channel until the crown reaches its designed position.
The finished bezel is carefully aligned with the precision machined gold case. The rear caseback is now prepared to complete the watch's protective exterior. The precision stem is carefully engaged with the crown body under magnification. The crown assembly is aligned with the case channel for precise installation. Optical measurement confirms the bezel's critical dimensions before finishing. The inner diameter is machined to create a precise seating surface for the finished watch. Precision CNC machining establishes the bezel's exact circular geometry. The caseback sealing surface is inspected before it can protect the finished movement. The caseback receives a controlled finishing pass to match the exterior gold components. Uniform reflections confirm the caseback's surface finish is ready for assembly.
A precision sealing element is inspected before being seated into the caseback interface.
The sealing gasket is seated evenly around the entire caseback perimeter. The caseback is aligned precisely while protecting the newly seated gasket.
Controlled tightening secures the caseback while maintaining an even seal.
The sealed case undergoes an early integrity check before the precision movement is installed. Inside the assembly room, the mechanical movement begins with its precisely machined main plate. Before assembly, microscopic particles are removed from every critical movement surface. Tiny jewel bearings are positioned with extreme precision inside the movement. Each bearing is checked for clean seating and precise alignment. The first precision wheel is positioned directly into its jewel-supported bearing. Each wheel is aligned so the developing gear train can rotate freely. The gear train grows component by component, with every pivot precisely seated. A precision-finished bridge is aligned over the gear train to support its rotating pivots. Microscopic screws secure the bridge without disturbing the gear alignment. After securing the bridge, the gear train is checked for smooth mechanical movement. Precisely measured lubrication reduces friction at critical movement contact points. Controlled lubrication is applied only where the mechanical movement requires it. The regulating system is prepared with extreme care because even a tiny disturbance can affect timekeeping. The balance assembly is aligned with its jewel bearing and carefully seated.
The balance begins oscillating, providing the foundation for precise mechanical regulation.
The escapement wheel is positioned so its teeth can interact precisely with the regulating system. The pallet assembly is aligned with the escapement wheel and balance system. A precision-finished bridge secures the delicate escapement assembly in position. Microscopic fastening secures the regulating bridge while preserving precise alignment. The secured regulating system is activated and checked for consistent mechanical motion. The movement now progresses toward its power storage and winding components. The power storage barrel is aligned with its precision bearing inside the movement. A precision bridge secures the barrel while maintaining its exact alignment. Calibrated torque secures the bridge without stressing the miniature movement components. The secured barrel is checked for smooth power transfer through the gear train.
The automatic winding rotor is inspected before being added to the mechanical movement.
The rotor is precisely centered over the automatic winding mechanism. Free rotor movement confirms smooth operation of the automatic winding system. Before final timing tests, the assembled movement is carefully cleaned and inspected. The completed movement enters precision timing analysis before installation into the gold case. Timing is fine adjusted until the mechanical movement reaches its required precision. The precisely regulated movement is now prepared to receive its finished dial. The dial is aligned precisely so every marker sits perfectly centered over the movement.
The first precision hand is aligned directly over the movement's central pinion.
The minute hand is installed with carefully controlled vertical spacing. The slender seconds hand completes the watch's central hand assembly.
Each hand is tested for clearance and synchronized movement across the dial.
The regulated movement is carefully seated inside the finished gold case. With the movement secured, the protective crystal is prepared for final installation. The crystal is pressed evenly into the gold bezel, completing the watch's protective front. After final inspection, the completed gold watch is approved for presentation.